Do you struggle with taking out the trash? It's a common challenge, and we get it. The dread, the procrastination, it's all too familiar. You are not alone, but it's time to turn this chore into an effortless task. Taking out the trash is not as daunting as it seems. It's a simple 3-step process. First, gather your waste. Second, secure it in a trash bag. Finally, take it to the bin outside. As you can see, the task of taking out the trash can be broken down into manageable steps. Still finding it hard to get motivated? Here's a tip. Think about the satisfaction of a job well done, the delight of a clean home. Remember, a clean home is a happy home. So, in summary, we've broken down the task of trash disposal into manageable steps, paired with motivational tips. I assure you, give these a try. Taking out the trash doesn't have to be a chore. With these steps and a little motivation, it can be as easy as 1, 2, 3.